let's get the corny ass music off. My bad. So, I'm not happy, bro. I didn't even want to make this video. I didn't even want to. Yeah. So, I blew my shit. Then I got an eval and I blew $800 again in Asia session. Honestly, like it's just annoying, bro. It's just annoying as shit, bro. The first trade to recap is I'm gonna add it to this in a second. I'm just gonna go over it. But basically, yeah, my shit's going, bro. I blew $900 today. That's what I'm saying, because that's the total of all the money on these accounts that I've lost. But where do I even start, bro? Where do I even start? So the first trade is gonna be posted live, obviously. I recorded, it was a Nuri game session. The second trade, I tried to take to here. If I can get my top stat.
The market is closed.
Fuck you, the market's not closed, bitch. Oh man. Here we are. Low key, bro. Can I get this shit on my screen? Alright. So this is what we took. Oh fuck. So I took this displacement mid candle and then we chopped me out. And honestly I shouldn't have taken this because this was like the shitty session, the pre-market Asia session. So there was a no wick candle, and no wick candles are very strong, and this was a daily no wick. So obviously you want to see a wick put in because wicks always need to be put in. And a no wick candle is a very, very strong draw. But yeah, I traded the session that was before Asia, and I guess I should have waited till right here, the Asia open, because right after Asia opened, minutes later we flushed down. And honestly, this is just a clean ass setup down to it. And we shoot down. And I was in the gym just looking at the charts, just watching this around like this area, just watching it happen. But yeah, bro. I mean, this is kind of rough for me, bro. This kind of rough just because how long have I been recording for? I'm gonna try not to go for too long. But this feels shitty as fuck, bro. This feels shitty as fuck because I thought I was gonna get a payout with that account. I was up $1,000. All I needed was like a few more winning days, and I needed to meet the consistency rule. So basically, like, you know, a couple of low risk days, but um, yeah, it is what it is, bro. Like, life is low key not in a good spot for me, bro. I just had to spend a lot of money on some bullshit, and yeah, I'm running out of bread, bro. I thought I was gonna get this payout. I'm stretching myself thin, bro. Mentally, I don't know. Like, shit, bro, I feel like I have a headache right now, bro, and I don't know if it's like from physical fatigue or if it's from like mental. But Yeah. I just pray that all this suffering, bro, all this just pain just doesn't end in vain, you know what I'm saying? I just pray that there's meaning to all this one day. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say, really. I blew a shit ton of money. I'm gonna get into the live recap now, I guess. Guess I could end it here. I don't know. I thought I had a lot more to say, but really I don't. It's just difficult, bro. Now I gotta send this shit in and like look like a dickhead, bro, in front of everybody. And everybody in the Discord. I look like a dickhead to myself. I feel like a dickhead. And like actually the trade I took in the AM wasn't even bad, really. So like I'm just bitching over like the trade that I took just now, and honestly maybe this wasn't, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this session, bro, honestly. I'm never trading this shit again, bro. I'm never trading this shit again. I didn't even wait till Asia open. Honestly, I'm never trading Asia until I have 10,000 in payouts, bro. I'm not trading Asia until I have 10K in payouts, bro. Fuck that. I don't know if I should take tomorrow off or if I should trade it. Honestly, like these conditions have been retarded, bro. I know I should be better, and it's not like it's my fault, bro. I should be adapted to these conditions. I should have traded better. I should be smarter. You know? I don't even know how big I used to have this shit, bro. Fuck it, bro. I don't care, bro. Yeah. I went to the gym earlier and that kind of like soothed my mind. Like I felt like everything was better, bro. But and then I left the gym and I feel like shit again. This shit is running too long. All right, let's get into the recap. All right, boys, we're live. We're live. Market opens in 2 minutes. I changed my colors to black and white. I don't know. It's a lot easier to read. It's a lot more clear. I feel like it's just gonna help me spot things better. You know, be less dopamine maxed by the charts. You know what I'm saying? Take this a little bit more seriously. But we do have a couple bullish SMTs. We have this 15-minute gap here as a condition. Maybe if we displace through it, we can go up and target London high. It's only 160 points away. That's very achievable. I'm also looking at 10 o'clock because when 10 o'clock opens, we can create this 4-hour gap, right? This 4-hour candle closes, and then this gap may open up, and I might be able to target it. But we have this bullish SMT right here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame on both indexes, we have this bullish SMT. See, it took out this low, but on ES, it didn't. It left this low. So there's a couple things that could happen. This 15-minute gap that I marked out right here is very important to me because if we respect it, then we could possibly fly up and go get London high, get a continuation to there maybe. I'll be very patient. Or during that 10 o'clock candle closure, we can get a retracement into this 4-hour gap, which is going to be right here. That's where it would start. unless we're already in it by the time 10 o'clock happens. But you know, so there's a few different things that can happen. I just want to be patient and make sure that I wait for confirmation before I take anything. So it looks like we might just go ahead and displace through this 15-minute gap. If we do, that's perfect. It'll be more clear, you know, so I can look for longs. Because also on the high time frame, we're still in this void that Trump created when he just manipulated the market. So it looks like we're shooting down. Yeah, that could have been a trade. Yeah, we SMT'd that. That could have been a trade. I possibly could have taken that to here, but I don't know. I wasn't really looking for that. And it happened so fast. That reaction happened so fast. But look at that. Creates an SMT. And then we just shoot down. That's crazy. But yesterday's $500 loss put me down to $100 in the account, bro. So I kind of wanted to get a result out of the account today. But it looks like we're just going to shoot down, take out lows. And I'm not going to get an entry. Just kind of annoying. Maybe this was takeable. Maybe by the time I saw it, maybe I could have entered in like right here. This was definitely takeable. What the? Text. Wait, why is it like that? But then this doesn't show up. This is very weird. Anyways, I might get an entry right here. So I might have to lock in a second. So, it looks like this, bro. Anyways, we're back into this 1 minute gap. Oh. So, no buy stop. This is beautiful, bro. So the thing is, I'm gonna close this trade whenever ES, because I'm taking this basically on. I trade on NQ. We got this crazy displacement down. Obviously, we want to go down. We had an SMT up there. We respected the 15-minute. We respected my conditions. We are bearish pretty much on the higher time frame. And ES, I feel like ES wants to take out this SMT low. So I might get liquidated because I only have 100 in the account, bro. If the drawdown goes up too high, I'm fucked. Yeah, maybe. Possibly not. ES could respect this 1 minute right here. But basically, I took this because of this reaction off the 1 minute. We had a little retrace in the reaction. And I expected the volume just to continue. But it looks like the volume may not continue and it might just go up. Yeah, the account's going. Damn, bro. I mean, let's see, bro. Was I hasty? Let's see if this actually plays out. I wonder if this actually becomes respected. Well, I mean, yeah, we're moving down, bro. Like where I put my stop loss was respected. Isn't that crazy? So, yeah, I'm just watching this and I'm actually genuinely curious of how this plays out. Yeah, my stop is about to get disrespected, bro. This price action is like horrid, bro. I need to. Yeah, we're just stalling here, bro. I'm gonna take my screenshots. So I mean, like, next steps, I'm gonna buy a Top Step account. I mean, at least I get to like restart. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get a fresh start. That's kind of what I've been needing, bro, because I've been struggling with this account ever since I had the drawdown so low. Honestly, that was a good trade, bro. I don't even care that it didn't work out in my favor, bro. I don't even care, bro. Because I don't think I got stopped out. That's the thing. I just didn't have enough balance in my account. So therefore I got cooked. So yesterday's trade basically destroyed me today. And I mean, it is what it is, bro. Bro, now we're displacing my direction. Yo! All right, I'm gonna end the recording here because I'm not. Yeah, my bad. I accidentally made the recording too long. I actually didn't end it. But basically, going forward, um, I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna be risking heavier. I'm gonna be on an eval. I'm gonna try to pass it within like 1 week, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna move to Top Step instead of trading with Alpha, because Top Step just has so much more potential and capabilities. Like you don't have a consistency rule. The winning days are 150 bucks, so it's a lot easier. You can only request like half your balance, but that doesn't really matter to me as long as I'm taking something home. I can scale to multiple accounts and scale my trading and become better at this. So yeah, I mean it kind of sucks, but like I saw it coming. Like this had to happen. Okay, here we go. It hits the stop. But yeah, I would have been break even at this low anyway. So this could have been a break even trade, but yeah, I could care less, bro. It is what it is. I don't know what the market's probably gonna just range for the rest of the day and just chop in this. It's not leaving this. This range, it's not leaving this for the rest of the day, bro. I don't think we're gonna displace upward and go take out London Eye. Why is that still on? I don't think we're gonna go up here. I mean, we could. Yeah, we SMT shit. We could, bro, if it wants to, but Yeah, that's the result of my account. But shit like this, bro, like shit like this happens, bro. Even though it's annoying, you gotta be patient, bro. If you're not blowing accounts ever, then you're not maximizing prop firms. And you're spending a shit ton of money. And then once you do blow accounts to get back to where you were, bro, you're spending thousands, bro. Like if you're trading 20 accounts, bro, 30 accounts, and you're only trading like the $150 winning day, coming home with, like if you do blow that account, like bro, that is bread. Yeah, we actually are going higher, bro. That's crazy. So if my account was still here, I'd be looking probably to take something to the high. But damn, bro, kind of pisses me off, bro. But that's how it goes, bro. That's the game. I guess I'm gonna just end the recording here. I'm gonna journal my trades down, relax for a little bit. Yeah, kind of sucks, but it is what it is, bro. It's gonna be a great learning stage from here, and I'm not gonna have as much pressure on me at all. So that's good.